Right now, Mr. President, many students in higher education across the country are back on campus for the start of a new school year. And though I know many of them are excited to finally be able to return to their classroom and their friends, there are still many challenges in higher education we need to tackle immediately, including keeping our students safe and healthy as the COVID-19 crisis continues. We also cannot lose sight of the fact that student debt is at an historic high as borrowers across our country are drowning in student debt. The cost of higher education continues to rise, forcing students to give up on higher education dreams simply because they can't afford it. Predatory for-profit colleges continue to target first-generation students, students of colors, and our veterans. And across the country, campus sexual assault, harassment, and discrimination and systemic racism leave too many students feeling unsafe in their own school communities. Students across our country deserve leaders who are committed to addressing these urgent problems and who will work to always put students and borrowers first. I believe James Kvaal is exactly that kind of leader, and I urge my colleagues to join me in supporting his nomination to serve as Undersecretary of Education. Mr. Kvaal's background reflects a deep commitment to our nation's students and the experience needed to hit the ground running on day one. As president of the Institute for College Access and Success, Mr. Kvaal fought to improve student outcomes and quality, reform federal and state financial aid, support student loan borrowers, and increase state and federal investments in higher education. He also has a long record in public service, including as Deputy Undersecretary of Education and Deputy Director of the Domestic Policy Council in the Obama administration, where he helped strengthen college accountability, expanded investments in Pell Grants, and worked to ensure students have critical information about the outcomes of the colleges and universities they might attend. To me, it is a clear vote to confirm Mr. Kvaal is a vote to support our students and borrowers and help build a stronger, more equitable higher education system.